Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Quarter back with another video. And today guys, in this video I'm gonna be reviewing the Huawei Watch 3. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. Promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, so make sure you all go over there and check it out. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video. It has been 4 years since the last time Huawei released a proper smartwatch, the GT series. The GT series are limited in their capabilities, but it is now finally here, and it is one of the first Harmony OS 2.0 devices. There are two models actually, the Huawei Watch 3 and the Huawei Watch 3 Pro. This generation feature a 3D rotation crown that replaces the top button on the right. Huawei argues that this enabled an interval way to navigate the UI, allow weather resistant if works with wet and even gloves hand, unlike touchscreens. Another priority was to slim down the bezel around the display as much as possible. The 1.43-inch AMOLED panel is a tad larger than previous watches from the companies, but still in the same ballpark. It is very bright and can reach up to 1000 nits of brightness, and it keeps the pixel density at 326 ppi. The display is guarded by strengthened glass. The watch body is made out of high quality steel and the back is made of ceramic. The watch is water resistant up to 5 ATM, and the body measures 46.2 mm diameter and 12.15 meter in thickness. Without the strap, it weighs 54 g. Huawei has created several different designs to this watch. Active with silicone strap, classic leather strap, elite metal band, and the sensor suit on the back include the SPEC heart rate and blood oxygen. The watch also features 24/7 stress and sleeping tracking. All of the watch could help you spot your health problems. The Huawei Watch 3 can be used on its own too. It has an eSIM, gives it a 4G data connectivity that you can handle calls of course, but also stream some of tunes from Huawei Music and send it to your Bluetooth headphones. It also can do video calls and supports too. Huawei is proud that it is brought the app gallery to the watch. This means you can download and install Harmony OS apps directly to the watch, no smartphone needed. The company has already partnered with several developers from outside China who will bring their software to the new platform. Huawei didn't mention the chipset, but did say that the watch has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB storage. Since you'll be juggling a lot of apps, the UI now feature a grid launcher. You can pan and zoom around, which is a quicker way to find the app you need than scrolling through a long list. The battery life in standard mode is 3 days with 4G enabled. Quite good for a proper smartwatch. You can enable the ultra long lasting mode, which you can stretch the battery to 14 days while keeping important functionality enabled. 14 workout mode, Bluetooth calling, and even animated watch face charging is done wirelessly. Speaking out of workout mode, the watch support over 100 mode, including 17 professional workout mode, outdoor and indoor. There is fall detection, which you can use eSIM connectivity to send out an SOS if you have been hurt, and also support GPS. Pre-orders for the Huawei Watch 3 starts today at a price at 2,600, 410, and in euro 335. Proper sales start on June 11. Huawei will also be selling additional watch band that lets you customize your watch later this month. They will start at $200 in Chinese dollars. That's like $31 in the US and 26 in euro. Huawei Watch 3 Pro 1 goes for a more classic look, so it does have a bezel around the display. As I mentioned, it's the material and the battery life that sets the Pro apart, plus extra features. The watch body is made out of titanium. The back ceramic again. The display is protected by sharper glass. This one is larger, measuring by 48 by 48.6 by 14 millimeter, and this one is a little bit heavier. And without the strap on, this weighs about 63 g. Battery life is bumped up to 5 days with 4G enabled and 21 days of ultra long lasting mode. This is one of the first watches to feature a dual band GPS receiver. Bands 1 and 5, which will offer a more accurate and more stable position reading even in density cities environment. Like its siblings, the Huawei Watch 3 Pro can be pre-ordered in China today. Sales on June 11 due to premium titanium and sharper materials. The Pro commands a higher price if costs 3,300 in Chinese. That will be $515 in the US and 425 in euro. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today. If you like this video, please smash that like button down below. Also please subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. So anyways guys, it's me, your boy Huawei Tech. Peace out.